Rakitic with time and space. And the perfect cross for Suarez. Still, Munir. Suarez! Oh, it's superb! Barcelona have missed 3 penalties this season. Neymar, one of them. No mistake here, right down the middle. Turning went to his left. Suarez, brilliantly done. High class. Gilberto, has he stayed onside? Yes, he has. It's Neymar, or rather Neymar for the easy tap-in.
He's then missed a big chance, and Edin Dzeko's missed a bigger one. Played it again, Dani Alves this time. Surely now. Now Neymar. A lovely, clever pass back to Messi, who's through now. And in on goal! And in for 2. Skips one way, then the other, then delivers the perfect cross, and then it's Suarez! Oh, what a take from Neymar. Sumptuous skill, and then rolled in by Messi! Gets the chance to get his first goal. And if ever there was a sign of team spirit, this is it. Short runner. It is Neymar, it's saved by Szczesny, and the follow-up!
Oh, well-timed run here, onside.